Oh, not again. And the camera broke. Why does that happen so many times? There we go, that's better. They're all working. They're all working. They're all working. Ha! Awesome. Alright. Now I need to get my chat over there. Hey, Silent. Oh, another lamp, another day, man. Oh, I need a drink, man. Oh. So, new lamp setup. Got a good bottom. Got a good top. And it should actually work this time. So the other lamp is in the back. And this is the new one. So this part doesn't need much design anymore, but it's mostly the outside parts, the top parts. So I have redesigned this whole piece because this one already, on the other one, it's hard to see because it's black. So this one already broke off. That's how it should be. So that's how it should be. The problem is that this works on a layer line, so this snaps off. So what did I do here with on the gray one? Hey, you're actually stuck. Good. So on the top, I've printed this one sideways, so the print lines, instead of like this, are now like this. So this plastic here can actually clip better around the object, which is a lot easier to do. And then you click them in. And then this is just stuck until you actually move it. And even if it breaks, that's pretty easy because you literally just replace that small part and you don't have to reprint the whole top. So it's a separate piece that creates the effect. Even if it snaps or even when it breaks, doesn't matter. It's one really tiny piece. If I have my box here, yeah. So it's literally reprinting this whole piece. Come on, zoom. You can do it. Hey, I don't have my main light on. That's why it's so dark. There we go, that's better. There we go, better light. So yeah, the same for the bottom. So that's also printed in this direction. And then you can click the bottoms in the same way. Yeah, that's why I went for that, because like, well, it looks cool and it prints in one go, less parts. Oh yeah. And the ESP is now installed in this position. Still needs soldering for this version. So the full non-soldering version, I'm still building that one, but for now I need a temporary one for next. So I can output my USB, plug it in, and now it's stuck. And even if the cable gets something, these ones are too loose. If it is if the cable yanks, it clicks out anyway. So that should work too. And I'm gonna start a print right now that you can clip on here, and then this one is also up and down stuck, well, not installed, because now I can easily get it out. So I need to keep that in check. But with the USB, it cannot move because the USB holds it in place like that. So we got that one. Yeah, this one still needs soldering because I'm still puzzling out how to do the PCB and it takes some time. But hey, we're making progress. Oh, now the cool part. I do have fun with this because it's like this small support part, it just breaks off and you get a really good smooth edge. So like it's such a good feeling as like snap. And sometimes the lines go on, but hey, at least my plastic is good. Like, I love that feeling of just snap. Oh, that's such a... I love these supports. I love making my own supports. I know they're reliable and I know they're stable. I still have the slicer supports are getting better, but I still prefer to make my own. I still like to make my own because I have better results with that. I have so much better results with making my own supports most of the time. Oh right, and this one is the new replacement of this one. Because while assembling the last time, so 2 weeks ago already, I noticed that getting this one here in is always like, it always flips around and it sits in here and then you cannot get it in and you need to get your hands all the tidy in. Yeah, this one, a little bit of press fit, goes down. And there is a small lip on top so you can still do that. So that makes the printing of this part a little bit bigger, but so much easier to handle because this one just flips in here. There's a small pressure point on the top that holds it in place. So a small edge here too, that you can click it in, shove it down, and do that. I'm still fine-tuning the thickness there so that it has a little bit resistance. And as you can see here, it keeps the lead fully in place. Come on, zoom in, there we go. You can do it. And it pushes this whole lead strip that way. So that's all the small design parts that I'm going for. Yeah, so we're going back to the lead strip counting because that's the next step. So I'm more happy with this one. This one closes off. There's a small edge here, so it actually looks pretty smooth when you got it installed. So that's me the last week of improving and adapting all the small stuff. So let's get a new lead strip. This is all correct. And doing all that. But hey, how's it going there? You were busy with moving, right? How did that go, or is it still in process? Hey, why is my radio out? Okay, that's weird. That was weird. Okay, let's fix the camera. That's better, the camera was way too high. Alright. Let's get this one completely out. There we go. Okay, we actually need that area, do I? 6, 10, go. Where are my keys? I had cups here. Where are my... I know I've hit them somewhere here. Oh, because I don't want to lose count. Because I know I'm gonna lose count. Where did I hit those things? Where are they? Uh-huh. Hmm. Where are they now? I cannot find them. Okay, manual counting it is. Manual counting it is. Where's the cutter? There's the cutter. So the first one was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as long as we do a good center cut, then the clickies should work. Oh yeah, I hope the day is going good there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's not what you want. The process of moving. I hope it won't get more hectic than expected. I cannot say it's going good because moving is always a weird adventure of like, and what now? But I hope it won't get worse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do a good center cut, yes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why this one feels a lot shorter? What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one feels shorter than normal, or I'm just having a feeling of that something is off. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's always that point like, did I count correctly? And then you always count back, just to be sure of yourself. Because if you don't do that and make a mistake, yeah, that's a whole row of Wled strips gone. That's number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to number 10, and then we're gonna skip 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm terribly busy with this one. Oh, it's so hectic. So I got my Formnext ticket. I'm getting parking space there so I can unpack all my stuff. 1, 2. And if everything goes alright, then everything should now be technically set for Formnext. I still have a couple lamps to make, but that just takes some time. That just takes time. That should not be a problem. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I am a little bit stressed, of course, but very excited for Formnext. And hopefully making plans for Smurf. Yeah, excited, but also stressed. Like it's a combination of both, because like I have no clue what's gonna happen there. I have no clue who I'm gonna meet. I just hope it's great and making all those connections, but I still have no bloody clue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The backpack lamp works, so I'm excited about that one. That's this one, the one in the background, and hopefully I'm gonna look if I can get a 360 camera so I can walk around with the lamp and a camera, so I directly make content. Only I don't know how pricey those things are. I don't know what battery I need for that, or how much cost I'm gonna get into doing that. I need to look that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it seems like a good idea, because then I can walk around and I'm creating content without actually fully worrying about, oh right, I need to record something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I always forget that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Five, and the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made a mistake. I should have done it at 9. Okay. Well, I'm gonna snip one more. Yeah, I have no clue. Yeah, I need to remind myself that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I mostly, when I am somewhere, I just forget to make pictures, because it's my eyes watching things, and I always forget, like, and I'm telling people about it, like, oh right, I should have taken a picture, I should have made a video. I just never think about that one, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 pieces now. Cool. Now we got that. We lost one, but can we add 2 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I can add 2 more. So this is 16 based, but I think I'm gonna go to 18, a little bit bigger. So two extra segments. If the LED strip, this distance, if this can get permitted to do that, and I think I can because I have 1 cut wrong, 2 over, and then you. No, 18. So 2 more. From 16 to 18. 18 is too much. 18. Ooh, 18, man. Like, I need a bigger printer. I mean, the technique works decently good. So if I can upscale it, then 80 is technically possible. Only the problem is that I need a printer big enough. But technically it should work, right? Yeah. That should work. Yeah. 18. Not 80. 18. That will be bloody fun. I mean, with a big enough printer, it's... Yeah, with a big enough printer, it's definitely possible. It's not a question we can't make it. It's just we... No, wait. Did I say it wrong? It's not a question of is it possible? No, it's a question like, do I have the proper printed or printed? And no, I don't. I'm definitely sure 80. So 80 is too much for a 30 by 30 by 30 rhetoric, so I need something bigger. Definitely need something bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll grab the extra back. I have way more. I have too many. But that will be cool. Like, I mean, technically, if I can get the paramedic system, I'm pretty sure that I can do it. I just have not done it yet, so still need to finish it, of course. And I'll have a scissor here somewhere. There we go. So that's technically possible. Yep. That's possible. Okay, this is a scissor that doesn't scissor. Where's this the plastic? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's got that. I mean, yeah, it's possible. I mean, technically, if I make the PCB non-concentric, then any scale should work. Then actual any scale should work. Power-wise and amperage-wise, it's gonna be another problem, but that's something for later. But you can definitely print it. You should definitely be able to print it, right? Yes. Okay. Now I wanna puzzle this one out, because if I start high up or low up, I can go down. But that means that Low is up. I always did so the high one up, but that means that the LED strips are ending up uneven. So if I low starts down, up, then I can click this one directly in. I don't have to go back and forth. So down into up. So this one needs to go down. No, wait. Okay, let's first get it in and see how that works. There we go. You definitely want bigger LED strips. Use this. Okay, so this one goes down, so then this one needs to go up, right? Power. There we go. Okay. So this is the one I want because then I can click that in and click that in. That should work. Yeah, okay. So let's try it. So this one and which camera works the best for that? So I think this one is too high. Or no, this should be fine. Yes. Yeah, only that's cables everywhere. Okay, so you are gonna make it a little bit more space, and then I want to try it like that, so you guys can see the inside, still see my stupid silly face. That should work. So this is what I wanted to do. Because this one needs to go down, and that one needs to go up. So up is down, down is up. Okay. Okay, so let's go in there. Now they're both outside, so then we can do here. Grab this one, grab this one. Yeah, and then we can do the solo one, so the one that's getting. Then I can do the lamp away, and then I can build the big ones. So this one needs to go up. Because if this one goes up in the down one, then we can click it in faster. Because the last time I had it inverted, and I always needed to go back and forth on the clicky systems in the bottom. But if I do it like this, then that should not be a problem. At least that's the idea. Right, extra light. This one, I don't want to forget that one. Let's see if I can do it like this. Okay, that's better, right? Yeah, that's better. Because then I can move this one over here for now. Because then I can hopefully turn this one on. Yeah, it's just too much. Cameras and light, always funny. Yeah, cool. Now we get that system in place, and we have the lamp, so you guys can see a little bit better. And do that. So this one needs to go up, and down goes up. Okay, that's gonna be weird, but doing all that is something what we need to do. Because this makes the process of installing hopefully a little bit easier. Oh, shit. Because then you can do the down cables all in chain together, so which I'm gonna do next. And hopefully that gives less hassle of installing. At least the steps make it look easier, so I should assume that it's gonna become easier. But there we go. Yes, okay. Because now we do this one. And this makes the top also doable, if this one goes in at least. Oh, you're not going. Yeah. Okay, this is the first time I'm actually having trouble with this. What the hell? It's not that one, it's the other one. Ah, crap. Okay, so this one was a little bit too flibbish. Okay. Where is that one? There we go. Okay, let's see if this works. So let's see if we can grab it from here. Nope. Yeah. Boo. Boo. I really thought I designed this better. That sometimes you're just having bad luck with the lead strip. So hopefully we can turn it a little bit better. Yeah, okay, that should work. What? I am not having luck with this one now. There is no plastic there, so... Oh, wait, no. Huh? There we go. Okay, found it. Okay, got it. There we go. Okay, well, it's good practice if the next one has it too. Okay, so we got this one now. So now we can go here and connect these two. So in, out. Now we can grab this one and then we say open to ground. And let's see, it's not that one I need this one. Yep. Oh. Alright, but it's not good. No. Okay, you know what? I am having something that YouTube doesn't really allow, huh? That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, it's the edges of my nail that was having a little bit of blood, so it happens because, yay, stress, I get finicky on my fingers and I wreck my fingers, which I'm really trying my best to not do, but yeah, you damage yourself. You damage yourself. We all need to be careful with that. So that was that was not good. YouTube doesn't allow that. Well, I think in this shape, yes, but normally we need to be careful with that. Okay, so this one is this and this. Nope. Okay, there we go. And then we have this one. Yeah, we all need to be careful. As long as we understand what we did wrong, we hopefully don't do it the second time. And cynical says, stay a donkey. Don't prove you're not a donkey, please. Only do it once. Preferably not, but if you did it, please stay a donkey. Because that means you've never done it twice. Ah, damn it. I was so focused on the top one that the bottom one went wrong. Cool, because now we have that one. And then we can install this one pretty easily. Yeah, I like that. Cool. I can grab the second one. Yeah, these ones are way easier to install. Because I can literally just click it in, click. There we go. Oh, yeah, should not have done that one yet. Whoopsie. Too soon. Too soon. Yep. Okay, so I can remember to do that one at the same time. So this one can go in. Then we have that click and that click. So now we can go here. Click that one in. Click this one in. So this one sits in here tidy now.
You are listening to 24/7 London
Then I
Radio.
can click in the second one. Should have done that one before. But yeah. Oh, there we go. That's wrong. Okay. Okay, still should work. Yep. So we have that one. Bend the wires down and do that. So now we have this one. And we can already pick in this cable, because then we do the checksum and do that, because this one still has space. So we can click this one in. Oop. Oh, this one is not good. There we go. Now we have the bottom ready, so we can prime this. And now I can install this one too. Okay, now I can do this one. Now I can do it. Then that one locks in place, and we can grab the second one, the center one. Yeah, this is a lot easier because it's a lot bigger, because then it's a little bit easier to align. And I should have turned it around. Even that is doable easy. Nice. Cool. Okay. Right. Where's the start line? Not over there. Not over here. That's not... Did I lose my starting cable already? Where is the starting cable? Hello? Nope. I already lost my starting cable. Where? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Where? Should be somewhere here. Ah, it's inside the PAL. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Okay, if we're smart, we can already install all the stuff. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab the soldering, make the do the pre-soldering, which with the actual version you don't have to do that, of course, but I still need to do that right now. So that is finding that piece of code again. Oh crap. Yikes. And let's go here. Let's go to the fill comp. Guess we have this one, and then hold on. Now I need to find the correct one, of course. Where's my recent? What? What the shit are we now? What? What Where is recent? I don't know where the fuck did I save it, because I always use recent. The recent button is gone. Why in the hell did they do that? That's not fun. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I don't know how I call it, because I... bloody hell. I am... Well, there... I literally have saved it, but I don't know where I saved it, because I always use the recent thing, so I never watched that. Okay, save as. What are you giving me? Library Arduino. There is nothing here. Great. Great. All right, I am very confused now. I don't know where I saved it. Ah, great. What the crap? Like, I had such a good file and it's not here. I cannot open anything, even in all my folders. I don't see anything. Okay, let's do a test. Save. Test. Oh, now, yeah, see, this is the button is missed. Boo! I've not updated it, so what the crap? You, ESP 332 C3 Mini Rainbow Fast Wled. No, don't give me this fucking thing, just give me a bloody sample code. Google, you're not helping. This is the one that's... I just want a temporary one. Nope. This is not the one I am looking for. Oh, that's too white. Nope. Okay, define color Wled type. Okay, there is no pin here. That's better. Yep. Okay. This is fine for a good sample. And let's go to test and save as simple rainbow. The name of stuff with a letter, but what the crap? Okay, thank you. Jeez. Let's 1112. Define the Wled pin. Number 2. I think Wled also uses pin 2. Otherwise, I will change that. I just need something very simple, and then... Oh, right. I don't have a USB cable here. Crap. Wait. No. Oh, yeah, that one is stuck. It's this one. Okay, found one. Oh, thank God. Okay, let's upload. Let's grab the chip. Let's upload the chip. I should have done this before stream, but I completely forgot. All right. It's the B one. Yep, I know that one. RGB LED should be fine. Fast LED brightness. Yeah, that can be 100. 7.5. Number of LEDs. Select the tool. Board. ESP. Board is an ESP32C3 Mini. Where are you? Okay, that doesn't work like that. Oh, this is way too many. Okay, not fun. That was verify. There we go. Yep. Let's see if this goes correctly. And my camera got a little bit to the right. There we go. That's better. Nope. Nope. Takes long. Okay. Okay. So I can actually work on. Okay. So then we can use that one in the first attach. I'm gonna. Oh, I need my soldering device, which I'm included here. Okay, that should be fine. And then we have this one here. This one is fine here. It's a little bit messy. I'm gonna make my sponge wet and do that. And I'm able to talk, but I cannot hear you guys. There we go. Going up, going down. That's the way we roll around. Okay, so at least we can solder this one. There we go. Okay. did it compile? It's still compiling. Holy crap. Arduino, why are you so slow? Normally this should take 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Oh, it's indexing. Oh, I hate this. Yep, okay. That's why it takes so long. Okay, let's put the lamp here. The LED strips away because we're gonna solder first. Because then I can check all the cables if they're on or off. And while you're doing this, if one is not working, you can fix it and not have to do it afterwards, which makes things a lot easier. Hopefully. So, oh, right. I need to use I need the ESP to solder. Wait, no, up. What the hell? You mother. Wait, I selected the board, man. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now it's going. Okay, done uploading. Nice. Cool. Then we have this one. Now, where did I put the cable? It's not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Yep, found it. Okay, so can I? These are the small ones, so it's. I'm not fully happy with that, huh? Am I gonna just snip it? If I snip it, it's fine because I only need the data cable. But if I put this one on here, then we have this space. The cable can go around. Hello. I have no clue who you are, but. Oh, your name is not ringing, but hey, how are you doing, man? Am I gonna direct solder this one? Yes or no? Yes. So if I snip this one out. So we have this one, this one, and this one. Double check. Ground is white. I have no clue. Sorry, your name doesn't ring a bell, man. Ah. Cool. Sometimes it's just hard to remember all the names. Maggie is. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Names. I'm checking. Making a new lamp. At least that's the idea. I'm gonna do soldering now and then can assemble the lamp further, and hopefully this is the version that is final. So that I can actually lock in the design and then start a couple making for form next. At least that's the idea. So now we're gonna do that. And then we have the 5 volts going in there. That's a lot harder than you think. Yeah, so this part, it has not changed that much, but the inside, again, I did some changes to make it smoother and better and more reliable, so hopefully. Now I need to puzzle this one out, so this one can go there, and this one can go there, so we have that. No extra wires. Cool. This is very small. So I want to try something. Let's see if this works. Oop, there we go. I want to try this, but I've never done it like this, so I'm really curious if this is actually going to work. I've never done it like this, because I just want to try. So that's more zoomy. And can we actually turn on light? Yep, that too. Alright, let's see. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so now I can do that, pinpoint that. Okay, you guys have way more light now. Okay. I have never done soldering with a zooming screen, so I'm probably gonna fuck it up somehow. Oh yeah, this is a lot bigger. Oh yeah. Yeah, the wobbly is fixed. At least should be fixed. If I find something new, then yeah. And I'm having trouble with my camera here. There we go. Yeah, that's better. So that should work better. I'm now still soldering because the PCB part is, I don't have that yet. I'm still working it out with my neighbor and hopefully other people soon. And I'm gonna focus on the things I actually can focus on. So for now we just do casually soldering, because for this version I can solder it myself. Oh, this feels weird. I cannot do this. And that feels not on the plate itself. Okay, yes it is. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we got that one. We need ground now. Let's put the soldering away before I burn myself again. Okay, I should not have done this. I should have done it differently, but hey, we're learning.
Thanks to our station sponsor, the Center for Stress Management.
Come on, go to that. Yeah, this is a lot harder. Yes, I cannot fully see what I'm doing because that's the zoom in part. Yes. And this one is now dirty. Okay, this is the first time me puzzling out how to do this with the zoomy part, and that is a little bit weird. Good. That's better. Okay. Yeah, I'm not fully happy with this. I should not have done it like this. What else can I do? Yeah, this is not good. Okay. Gonna snip all those away. And let's get you away for now because I want to clean this up first. Sorry, this camera is not the best. Not my greatest job, but I still need to. This is just rough soldered on, which I should not have done. Okay, there we go. Now we go to pin 2. But yeah, how's the day going there? Sorry, I'm a bit focused on the soldering. I hope you're having a good day there. Number 2, right? Yes, that pin number 2. Oh, this is... Okay, I need to change this to 3 because I know what's gonna happen here. Yep. I'm going for 3. Yeah, come on. I'm not having good luck. Come on. Okay, now I need to be a little bit more patient. Heat it up first, then solder. But I always feel that I'm gonna burn the chip with this, so it feels scary. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Well, I bloody hope I didn't damage the board now. Yeah, that's a better solder. That's... Sheesh. Oh well. Third time is the charm, huh? Third time is the charm. Okay, I don't like the Sumi thing. That's too much. I'm not used to it, so it feels off. And at least we got this part working, hopefully. So let's see. Will it actually work? So if we plug this one in, then grab this USB. Oh, right. I switched the ports. Data is on 2 and I switched it to 3 because distance-wise, so we need to go to the code again. And I had the wrong camera. Oops. I should have been on this one. I forgot the camera switch. Okay, so let's upload. Let's upload that one. So we're gonna go to 3. I say your tools. We go to port com. Yes. Uploads. Compiling. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this lamp. Like, it's interesting, but I'm not used to it. So, okay, there we go. Now it works. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's one working LED strip, so at least we can prototype test. And that's a lot better, because now I can literally just plug it in and go to this one. Because now, if we want, I can already go here, power in, so we can remove this, turn off the soldering because otherwise my tip will burn. And then we can plug in this one already. Like with the actual lamp, you just plug it into the board and be done with it, but hey, I don't have that one yet, so I'm still setting this up. So
You are listening
no,
to 24/7
come on.
London Radio.
There we go. So now this one is plugged in, and when we go to the power supply and say go into, this should work, right? There we go. Huh. Okay, now it works. So now we can technically test each row when it clicks in. If it doesn't work, we can separate it, and it's a lot easier to take them out again. So every time you can just plug it in and just go. So I can do that one. Plug that one out. You have a lot of power in your bank. Holy crap, that's a lot. That took a couple seconds before I disconnected it. But now we have this working, and then we can switch things around and turn it around, turn it around, turn it around, and do that. Okay, cool. Ooh, yeah, now we can set up all the small ones, the bottom ones in one fell swoop. Hopefully, at least that's the idea. Because now we have one up. So this one goes down. Yeah. So this one goes down. And voltage on red, and then we should go that. Cool. So this one goes down, then this one goes up. Because power is on the right side, yes. Wow. Yeah. Because like last time I didn't test it and then found out that the 11th or the 10th one was not working, so you need to disconnect a couple to get it in, out, and it wasn't hassle. So if you pre-install a plugin, every time you install it, you fix the last two, which is a lot easier than taking a chain out of it and realizing, oh shit, I need to release that one. Oh shit, I need to release that one. Oh shit, I need to release that one. And I think that's better for installation wise, that you just test whenever you can instead of testing at the end, because I was like, I will test at the end. That's gonna be fine, and like, it's not gonna be fine. Found out it was not fine. Okay, so this one goes down. That is down. Yes, so if we do that, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so the next one can also go down. Guess we're gonna chain them now. Oh, wrong side. And this one needs to go down, so that's the wrong one. Because power is on the left. Yep. So this one is going down. This one is going up. I have the feeling I am missing a couple here. Yeah, that's all. How are you doing, man? There we go. That one clicks in, so this one goes down here too. And we grab the next two and repeat the process. This one is going down. Nope. That one's going there. Open this one up. This one is going up. Okay, that's going up and down. Next two. Ooh, cold. Better than COVID. Yeah, colds are not fun. Well, time to eat mandarins, more other fruits. Take a good rest, recover, so your body is ready for the next thing after it. At least for me, like, always when I get a cold, I'm gonna start eating mandarins, because, one, mandarins, never can go wrong with those things. And they have enough vitamin D's and vitamins itself, so it helps. It just gives that small good boost. There we go. Nope. Little snippets. If I don't forget, next week I can get the flu shot for in the Netherlands. Because I'm a diabetic, I have health risk to that. Yep, working, yep. Yeah, I'm diabetic, so like, I don't know if Germany is mandated flu shots, but at least I get them here. And it's better to be safe than sorry. Because hey, in less than 30 days or 25 days, I'm going to Form Next, meet a shit ton of people, probably gonna get sick. So I preferably, hopefully I don't. I wanna get myself, boost my resistance a bit. Gonna eat as good as I can beforehand, so I have all the vitamins, resistance, and boostings of the food material, so I hopefully don't get sick. But me in events, I always get sick. Someone always hits me like, yep, I'm out for a week. It always happens. It always happens. Up, down. Up, down. And this is the last one that goes only up. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah. They don't send you home for a cold, huh? They don't send you home for a cold. But at the same time, yeah. There we go. We need to take care of each other, and you definitely need to take care of yourself, so don't overdo it. Cold is still a cold, but hey, it can get a lot worse. So, not fun. But hopefully it stays a cold and doesn't go haywire. Because that would suck. Okay, so now we have this one. Go back to the lamp. And go to this area now. Okay, so this one goes down, this one goes up. Okay. Oop, there we go. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, plastics. So now we can pull this one and this one. Yep, there we go. So now we can connect this one. And that should be like that. Yes. And that goes wrong. Okay, I need to repair my small lamp because this is getting annoying. There we go. Then we attach the other one directly to, because now we can do that. Put that one a little bit away. And ground top, so that's this one. And then we repeat this cycle, so that. There we go. Because now we can push this one back and do that. Grab an extra piece. Oh man. It's stuck. It's too stuck. That's not good. Okay, I need to recalibrate that, but still should be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Grab a new piece. That's better. So we put this one in. There we go. Now we have this one installed. And now this one can go back here. Then we can grab this one directly so it doesn't get loose. Hello. There we go. So now we can grab the new piece, which I'm very happy with because this is a lot easier to control. Still hard, but it's a lot easier. And there we go. There we go. Push it in. And then that one gets locked in. Yes. Come on. Okay, this is too tight. What the hell? What? Jesus. Ow. This one is not going correctly. Okay, you are having troubles here. Ow. Ooh, that hurts. Okay, I need to find this one a little bit more because I'm not happy that this is so inconsistent. Yeah, now it clicks. Okay. That one is a little bit too tight. But yeah, now we can bend these two outside and directly go to the next one. So now we don't have to click, swap, because this one goes down, this one goes up. So this one goes in here. Come on, there you go. Good, good, good. A little bit more down, please. It's a little bit easier there. And then we go back to the top again. So we did some prep work, so we don't have to do all the small steps at the same time. So now it's that one. We can hold this one again. Oh, and let's do a test. Because then we know. Okay. So last one is working. Yes, we didn't plug in that one yet. So okay, that is working. So two new working in working condition. I need to learn to do the testing because I forget that. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one and plug this one in. And we plug the bottom one in and then we're good to go again. The process starts to go a lot easier, right? It feels better. So you have that one. Okay, we're gonna plug the cable in. And ground is on top. Yes, ground is on top. Yeah, this makes the process a lot easier and less prone to mistakes, I think. But I've not done it enough, so I'm not sure. This is now technically my second time doing this system. Or this is the third lamp I'm doing like this. But if this works and I can smooth it down, then the building steps becomes easier, and easier becomes hopefully more people want to try it. Yeah, I'm not having fun here. Oh, no. Ah, there we go. Ground on that. Cool. So that's this one. So now we can go back to here. We can grab these. These are too tight. Maybe it's the plastic because I printed too fast. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Yep. That's better. So plug it in, hold it in place, grab the next one, That's too tight. Okay, I'm not happy with this. There we go. And we can directly bring this one in. Yep. There we go. Right? Yes. I don't know what changed. Like the last 2 times it went fine. Okay, so 3rd time is not good for this. Okay. Okay. But at least we go there again. And we can plug it in. Right, yes. So I'll plug again. And that seems to work. Yes, cool. I mean, technically, I plugged things in, and I should have checked before. The moment I attached the cable, then I should do the check. But at least we're making progress. There we go. Hopefully this one is better printed. Okay, that one goes there. This one is the hardest one.
You are listening to 24.
Still not fully liking this new click mechanic, but it's better than the small one. It gives less hassle. And it locks it into 2 places, so that should be fine. Yes. Cool. So now I can grab a new one and start plugging it in directly. So yeah, I like that the steps are a lot easier. The simplicity of the setup is a bit better. I like this setup first. So wait, let's pull this out. So the cables, normally I did high up, but now I do down high. It's a bit weird, but it makes the clicky system here a lot easier. Yep. Come on. No. Down, yes. So I think the process of doing all that becomes better. Oh, forgot the other one. Went too fast. Okay. Now we can grab the tops. Yeah, man. Good night. Hopefully the cold gets better and good luck with work tomorrow. And I'm just slowly building this one out and formulating a guide in my head so I can actually make a guide for this so other people can build this too. And I think this, it sounds a little bit complicated, but the moment I get the hang out of it, I can do it pretty fast now. But we're getting there. I think it's maybe if I push it and stop focusing and stop talking, then I can do it in 10 minutes, but I'm doing it very carefully, one step at a time, because I'm currently not doing it for the speed, I'm doing it for understanding that I can write it and explain it to other people in a good manner of steps. Yeah, good dreams. There we go. So now I can plug this in, see if it works. And that works too. Nice. Yeah, nice. I can plug this one in, and then I can do this one. Grab the next cable. Ow, that was my nail. And ground is up, next is down. I am missing a couple of things. I have the feeling I'm missing something here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's number 7? One, two, three, four, 5. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, found it. I think it is this one. It should be this one, but let's have a backup. So we have that one. Now we can do that one. Then we can set up that one. Yes, makes sense. Okay, printing too fast makes your shape fucked up. I'm not really excited about that one, because I know a lot of people are gonna print this way too fast and this is gonna change everything. Damn it. Okay, how do I puzzle that one out? Ooh. Yeah, how do I do that one, huh? Yeah, I don't know how to puzzle this one out, to be honest, for now. If you print too fast, you need to adjust it. That's okay. How do we puzzle that out? Yeah. I need to realize that, because like that becomes a problem. Yep. There we go. Oh, camera. That's better. These ones are better. Only again too tight. can plug in the next two. So down and up, down and up. Cool, now I can do all that again. So hopefully I have some space, down and up. Get the first one in. There we go. That one is in, that one isn't. That one is now also cut, yes. Then we can grab the tops and repeat the process, because now we can do that. So now we can do this one. There we go. That's where I want it. Open this one and see that clicky part. So red to red. Always repeat the process. They're all going on there, so let's do a small hooky. Those two goes up. This one. Okay, that was a little bit too finicky for my liking. Oh yeah, that was not fun. Okay, get the next one. And ground, so this one needs to go here. Yeah, don't cut your nails. Oh, that just hurts. Don't cut, also don't chew. Okay, this one there, this one is also there. There we go. There we go. Found it. Okay, cables plugged in, so I can do the test again. Yes, it's off because this and this one is also still loose there. Cool. Happy that it still works. Okay, so now I can plug this one. Pin. Okay. go. There we go. Huh, I'm missing 2. What? That's... One, two. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing 1 complete lead strip. Huh. What? It's not here, it's not here, it's not here. Eh? I did count, yeah, I had 16, I need 16. Probably this one. So I'm still... Okay. How did I miss 2? That's... I think by moving around I make mistakes. But first let's plug in this one. So that's that one.
Station sponsor, the Center for Stress
Down.
Management.
That's down. Next one going up. There we go. Okay. That one going down, yes. Oh, didn't do the tops. Cool. Okay, now I can do a lot of tops, so this one needs to click in. Then we got this one left. And ground. There, found it. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. There we go. Well, it's a cozy time. Now we need to do some pluckies. There's one, I forgot those. Damn. Yeah, printing too fast is the problem here. I know that one. I printed this lamp 4 hours faster than normally. And that means that the corners are a little bit faster and you get this kind of problem. That's fine. Whew, but it still hurts your fingers. Yep, stop rolling. I know you're biased to the left because there's more weight here than there. But no, you don't. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's plug them in. Shit. Nope, doesn't work. Not what I had in mind, but okay. Okay, 2 more and then the end. Well, 2 more and then the last one. But yeah. The problem is that this is gonna get the wire stage. So now it's the hard part. Right, up and down. Yep, come on. Sorry if I don't talk too much because this still takes some focus. If you want to know something, feel free to ask. If you don't understand what I'm doing, I can explain it. I will do that anyway. Yeah, so this is my RGB lamp. It's supported with Wled, so you can control it with Wled. It is a cool app. It has a lot of functionalities. So, plugged in. Let's check. Go again. Nice. Yeah, now I'm gonna bring in the last one because that's a lot easier. Right? Where's the last one? There's the last one. So I'm gonna snip in the last one, which is down, right? Needs to go down. Okay, so this one is on the wrong side. Bloody hell. There we go. So this one needs to go down. Okay. This is always the hardest one. I guess too many cable here. As long as it goes in. Oh, perfect. Oh, that was great. That was just a smooth one. Cool, so now we can go to this one. We can plug this one in and this one in. Right? Yeah. Last one. Last cable. Okay. There we go. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Nope. Okay. Where's my pin set? Pin set, I know I had you here. Hello? Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flip this a little bit open, make it a little bit easier. Oh, that's why there's a little bit of plastic sticking up there. Oh, that's, yeah. That's why it's not going. That LED strip. That sucks. I think this is the one I accidentally pressed on this one and something clicked here. Oh, well, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Okay. I always have some leftovers here, so should be fine. Okay, that's this one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. God damn it. That's the test piece. Do we have some left over here? No. Where's the spool? There. Okay. Let's grab the same one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Come on, I know I don't have nails. Come on, you could look. Oh, you're really mocking me, huh? There we go, found it. Cool. Cool. Throw it away. At least I know it's not the correct one. Okay, so the last one was down, right? Yeah, down, okay. See, this is why we check. Because if we didn't check and then did full install, I'm like, oh yeah, wait, we didn't check. And then like, oopsie. Oh, well, at least that one went smooth. Okay, is this one working? Oh. One, two, three, four, five, six. The other LED strip wasn't broken. I just didn't count the LED strips. I had 6 extra and I only made 112, which is the total lamp. It wasn't broken. Foo! It wasn't broken. Wasn't broken. I assumed it was broken because that was the quickest assumption. Should have double checked it and did my count. I made 112 LEDs in the code. This is 112 LEDs plus 6. Because that's the starting line. The starting line still has strips. So it's not 112, it's 118. So this part is working fine. Damn it, I threw 7 LEDs away. I know what to do. Damn it. Okay. Okay. So it works. Yeah, it works. Okay, it works. So it works. Okay. So at least I know it works. If it somehow this second one is actually broken and the first one wasn't broken, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. Oh, that's gonna be funny. Then okay, then I'm impressed. Like, holy shit. Yeah, my fingers are getting wrapped here. Ow. Yeah, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, hopefully the last one on the top. And I did this live. Was also not the smartest thing to do. It's fine. Okay, so now we have this hot mess with a shit ton of wires on the inside and the outside, and yay! Okay, first get the hard one in. Or the easy one, I don't know. Oh, it's not in yet. Oops. There we go. That's better. There we go. Cool. Okay, that's this one. Now we can double check. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing, which is the end. That should be fine. Yes. I'm pretty confident that's code-wise that I just screwed it up. Okay, so this one can go inside completely. Cool. Cool. So now we can disconnect this one. And we're gonna snip this one because we're gonna remove the 6. We're gonna make this 1. Okay, double check that this connection is still working. Cool. Which means there should only be one LED off. That is this one. Because we now have 113 and not 112, which is set in the code. We have 112. Yeah. Come on, there we go. Okay, I printed 4, so I think I have 1 nut ready. Okay, this definitely needs glue when it's not installed, but that should be fine. Okay, I need some wires in there. Wait, where's the opening there? Okay. Nope. Okay. That's the worst part. Awesome. Now I need this one. And we can click on that too. And we have a whole lamp. That is actually awesome. And now we only have to plug it in, which we do with the cable here. Okay. There we go. Nice. Nice. There we go. So this is the first one that is fully installed, clicked, stuck, and working. Awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, yeah. Oi. That is pretty cool, huh? That is pretty cool. Okay, we need to change the upload one. That should be fine. I have a cable for that, hopefully too. Otherwise, I need to disconnect it. That should be fine. Right. Oh, Yeah, okay. I can fix that. We need some glue. We need some glue. Those are too loose. That's too loose, but I mean, I like that the base is literally this small. Like it's just a tiny small base. I like that. And then the top, also really small tin, and then you get the top leafring, top deco. Oh, we're getting there. Nice. We're making progress. That is what counts. Now I can make a couple more, do some final testings that everything works out like it should be. This feels now stuck because the clips are actually in, so that is good. Oi, oi, oi. Yes. I had some loose places there. What we're getting here. It's cool. Oi, oi, oi. Cool. This was my assembling. Again, took 2 hours. But that's with the soldering, with the prototype, and if you don't need, if you do the fast installation, yeah, I think this will be around 40, 50 minutes. If you really speed it up, you can do 30. If you have 2 people, you can do, one does the wires, one does the install, one does the wires, one does the install. That's cool. And hopefully without soldering. Just plug and play, and just need some hand strength to get the clips in. I need to fine tune that one. And do that. There we go. We're making progress. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching, and see you next time.